let's do a few examples adding rational expressions. So let's say we had negative x squared over x squared minus 7x plus 6. And to that, I want to add plus x minus 4. So to some degree, what I want to do in this first example is kind of our algebraic long division or polynomial division in reverse. I want to put this x minus 4 in the numerator with x squared minus 7x plus 6 in the denominator. And the easiest way to do that is to just literally multiply x minus 4 times x squared minus 7x plus 6 over x squared minus 7x plus 6. I'm not changing the number. I'm multiplying it by 1. So if we do that, what do we get? What do we get? Well, we just have to multiply this numerator right here. And we can do that with algebraic multiplication. So if we have x squared minus 7x plus 6 times x minus 4, we can multiply these two. 6 times negative 4 is negative 24. Negative 4 times negative 7x is positive 28x. Negative 4 times x squared is negative 4x squared. And if x times 6 is 6x. X times negative 7x is negative 7x squared. X times x squared is x to the third. So the new numerator is going to be x to the third minus, this is 11x squared, plus 34x minus 24. So now I can rewrite this. Let me copy and paste this. Let me copy and then paste it. It's going to be equal to that plus, I can rewrite this thing now as being over a denominator of x squared minus 7x plus 6. And our numerator, x minus 4 times this thing over here, we get this whole thing. We multiply them out. X to the third minus 11x squared plus 34x minus 24. And now, since we have the exact same denominator, we can add these two rational expressions. So if you add them, you literally can just say, well, we have the common denominator. So our common denominator is x squared minus 7x plus 6. That was the whole point of multiplying this thing by this expression over this expression, so that we could get the common denominator. And now we just add the numerator. So this is going to add to the x squared side. So you're still going to have an x to the third, and then negative or minus 11x squared minus another x squared is minus 12x squared plus 34x minus 24. And we are done. And now we could have checked whether we could have factored this, but this just factors into x minus 6 times x minus 1. So it really doesn't factor with the x minus 4 in any meaningful way. So there really isn't any further simplification that we can do for this problem. Hopefully you enjoyed that.